Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about tables in HTML. So as you can see, I have my HTML file open here and I also have live server open here on this side. So let's get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create an H1 which is going to say food nutrients like this. And now let's actually create our table. So I'm going to say table, and inside of our table we're going to have two things. We're going to have the table headings and the table body. So I'm going to create a table head like this, and down here I'm going to create the table body like this. So the head is going to contain the headings of our table, and the body is going to contain the actual table data. So in here, I'm going to create a table row. This is just going to be a row of our table. And inside of our row, I'm going to create a bunch of th tags. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it twice like this. And inside of here, I'm going to say protein. Inside of here, I'm going to say carbs. And inside of here, I'm going to say fats like this. So now we have our table headings done. Now let's actually code our table body. So inside of our table body, I'm going to make a bunch of rows that are going to have table data tags like this. So I'm going to copy this and paste it twice as well. So I'm going to have 3 cells inside of my table row. And here I'm going to say steak. Here I'm going to say pasta. And here I'm going to say oil like this. So now I have a table row that has table data for my table. Now I'm going to copy this and paste it once. I'm going to say chicken. Here I'm going to say rice, for example, and instead of oil, let me say avocado, like this. Okay, so now I have a table. It doesn't remotely look like one, so I'm actually going to add a little bit of CSS here. Now I'm going to go here to my head, and I'm going to create a tag here called style, and this actually allows you to add CSS style to your HTML file instead of having to create a separate CSS file like just for your styles. So I'm going to say the table here and a set of curly braces. So this is going to style our table. And I'm going to say here that the color that's going to be the text color is going to be blue violet, for example. Let me say that the background color is going to be, for example, like something random, anti-white, I don't know. And let me say that the border is going to be 1 pixel, it's going to be solid, and it's going to be black, like this. And now I also want to say that the text align is going to be at the center so that the text is aligned well at the center of our cells. Now I'm actually going to add here a style that's going to be both for the table headings and for the table data. So in order to do that, I can say table headings and table data. And I'm going to give both of these the same style. I'm actually going to give them a border which is going to be the same as that table. So I'm going to copy that and paste it right there. Okay, and the last thing I want to do is I'm going to set here the table layout to be fixed so that all of our cells are now the same size and the width is going to be 300 pixels like that. So now we have a table in HTML. So this is all I wanted to show you today. I hope you learned a lot. If this video was helpful and it was valuable to you, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.